Sometimes in FCA, we were required to convert the RBE2 into RBE3 or vice versa, and maybe C beams to rigids or vice versa. So how can we do it easily using HyperMesh? We can see. So just go to here and type config and go to change element config. And now we can just select the element and we can just change this. So suppose this is an RBE2 and I want to convert it into RBE3. Yes, I will select this element and change it to RBE3. So you can see that this has changed to RBE3, and vice versa. I can change it back to RBE2 if I want it. I can change it back to RBE2 if I want it. So you can see this has changed it to RBE2. Similarly, for C-beam, if I want to convert beam or bar to rigid, I can easily do it. Just go to here 1D rigid and choose this element and done. If I want to convert it back to suppose some other element, or suppose bar 2, I can do it, or like this. So this is how you can convert the elements easily to any other element type. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.